views.
Yeah, 34,000.
Yeah.
Just for that one farming video there.
Oh, yeah.
And because of the video, the bank called them and asked them what they want. Want money.
Yeah.
You see? So film have a way for expose situation.
Okay.
Because if you don't do no film around here stuff, nobody now know.
No, one.
Yeah, and when they speak up against certain politicians, them afraid now, they must say, why, man, I have to go do something. Because the word I get out say me nah do nothing.
True.
You see me? And them don't want no media say them nah do nothing. The worst thing a politician hate is media. Cause now people know say you nah do nothing for where me come from. Alright. I'm gonna know if I put my money next time. The people that in America who have power watching this film, they will come back here and start do certain things in the community. Because them don't know so now suffer so You see me, them are go about them business, But them not here from
Yeah, here.
I'm not here for a week for real.
Some of them we have family we know what go on still, but not everybody.
Yeah, like who have family here.
So now we are suffer nobody now know. No MP representation. No farm work for 35 years.
None. No benefit, right? No government benefit.
Right now, young youth,
Right now, the MP there, you don't have a community center where we can keep public game or anything.
No farm benefit we are going to get.
Even when PNP in office.
Even PNP not going to
Everybody
get.
same thing.
No, we don't know MP represent.
Nobody.
How long the NP's been in office? And it's been JLP.
I'm telling you, from 1967 you have a Labour MP. You have a PNP come in and do 4 years. And then the rest are Labour. So you only have an MP he come in 89. That's the last time you have a PNP MP in 1989. And you only do 4 years. And all the rest are Labour. So you see almost 50 odd years a Labour represent here. From 1967. So you know it's a long time before we even back. So we have to be at the time.
Wow. So that is the problem.
Yeah, me I tell you.
So even the youth them a walk 8 miles to go to school. Not even like a school bus.
Nothing.
Nothing. They must walk.
8 miles she walk for go to school. 8 miles.
So they look at you every night.
And una plant yam for the whole world.
Yeah?
That's all I do plan, yeah.
And 8 miles them a walk and them can't buy a little minibus and say alright.
Sometimes we never get nothing for the yam neither.